Hey everyone! In this video we are going to install the Zentao project management system from scratch on an Ubuntu 24.04 server using Docker-Compose.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
Let's start by preparing the system. With the first command we install the essential tools for handling certificates and keys. Next we create a secure directory for keys and download the official Docker repository GPG key, ensuring the system trusts the packages we're about to install. Now let's add the official Docker repository to the apt source file. Notice that we are using dynamic arguments here, so the command automatically detects your specific Ubuntu architecture. After that, we update our package list with a single command. Install the Docker engine, the command line interface and the Docker-Compose plugin. Finally, we add our current user to the Docker group, allowing us to manage containers in the future without typing sudo every single time. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Docker is ready. Now we create a working directory named Zentao Docker right in our home folder and switch into it. Next, we need to create the docker-compose.yml configuration file. We'll do this by writing it directly from the terminal. In this file we define two containers. The first is a MySQL with the next version. And now the Docker-Compose magic. We run the docker-compose app command. Docker will automatically pull the official MySQL and Zentao images, build an isolated internal network and launch our application. And that's it. Everything is ready. You can now open your web browser, type your server IP with the next port, and easily complete the administrator setup through the clean web interface without a single error. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.